Hi Paw Patrol! Today we're gonna open our Play-Doh Fussy Pet Salon. Let's take a look. It comes with 3 Play-Dohs, a mirror, a buzz clipper, and scissors, a dog, and a cat, and the Salon kit. Let's go ahead and open. Here is our 3 Play-Doh, blue, green, and yellow. We have to build our salon. Let's see if we've got everything. The instructions are on the tab of the inside of the box. It's pretty simple to put together. We have the kitty cat and our Dalmatian puppy. With a buzz clipper, a mirror, and our clipper scissors. Let's go ahead and start with the kitty cat. We'll take the green Play-Doh. Thank you for your help, Ryder. Now we'll stuff it inside the cat. Fill it completely. Slide her into the chair. And now we're going to press down on each side. There you go. Beautiful, long, green hair. Good job, Ryder. Ryder just wants to snap and clip off just a little bit. Good job. We'll take the clipper and buzz some more off. Ryder showing kitty cat her mirror. Let's try the puppy. We'll put some blue, add some yellow for different color variety, slide him into the chair, and then we'll press down. Well, isn't that cool? Good job, Ryder. Let's buzz them on this side too. Let's go ahead and give some hair for Rubble. How does Rubble look? Look at me! Oh, you look so awesome, Rubble! Thanks, Rocky! How about you? I think I want some too! Let's clip some for Rocky. let's give him a nice straight clip. Wow, you look awesome! Let's clean you up. We'll spray you with some water. Thank you guys. Yes, thank you. We love our new hairstyle. Wow, look at you, Paw Patrols. You guys all look so awesome with your new hair. Yep. It was so much fun, Ryder. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.